What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be going over how to play Drama Club Romance, the second track off of our first album, Space Camp. So, song begins with your guitar tuned half a step down, and we are on the 5th string, 2nd fret, 6th string, really dude? 6th string, 5th fret. Going to bring it up a half step on the 5th string. Open it up on the 6th string, close it back up, and then we're going a 2nd fret to an open E. Yeah, so that riff is the basis of the entire verse. It's also kind of the impetus for this song. I don't specifically remember us writing this one. I do recall it was probably the last song we wrote for Space Camp, and that riff would have been what led to it being written. So sort of how Audio Karate writes most of the songs is I will noodle around with a riff like that and beat the rest of the band into submission and play it over and over and over again until Art finally comes up with the chord progression. And he's usually able to do that in like 30 seconds to a minute. And if he's not able to do it during that time span, then the song just doesn't get written. I think of songs like Bounce, where I played that riff, God, probably before we even recorded Lady Melody, and Art just didn't have a song to write to it, and it never came to be. Anyway, that's going to be the basis of the verses with some little variation, but that's the overall finger placement. Then we're going to go 5th string, 5th fret, 4th string, 6th fret, and 3rd string, 7th fret for the chorus. Move up a full step to 7 on the 5th string. Back open. And then open up that 5th string. Then we're going to go 5th fret on 2nd string, half step up, open A, and big open E. 2nd fret, and then back to the top of the verse. That's basically it. It's gonna more or less do that until we get into what I suppose we could call the bridge, and that's really just a bunch of power chords and nothing too challenging to figure out. The only real deviation of any of those parts is the whole die without you, fine without you for the outro. It's going to be the no effects high octave things starting on the 12th fret on A, which 25 years of doing those, they have to have an appropriate name. If you know, please let me know in the comments, because I've never bothered to learn what they're called. They will forever be just the no effects octave things for me. So, and that's basically the song. So without further ado, let's give it a run through. And this is the version we re-recorded in 2023 and is unreleased except for on this video. So let us know what you think below.
Alright, and drama is a game.
So there you go, YouTube Drama Club Romance. Yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.